Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil, and in this video we're going to be drawing SHARKDOG from the new Nickelodeon show that's streaming on Netflix right now. But before we get into it, just a reminder for everybody, here on Truly Artrageous, I like to teach you guys how to draw in a fun and easy way. And I post brand new videos to the channel every Thursday. So be sure to check your calendar for Thursdays and come on back to the channel for some new drawings. But if you want to make things a little bit more automatic, go down below right now and click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't have to watch the calendar. All right, let's get into our drawing of SHARKDOG. Here we go. So for this drawing, you're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need your drawing utensil. I'm using a black marker so it's easier for you guys to follow along, but if you guys want to do a pencil or a pen or whatever's most comfortable for you, just do that. And then when we get to our coloring step, this is the color palette that I'm choosing for SHARKDOG. Feel free to copy these colors or choose your own. Also, very important, if I'm going too fast during the tutorial, feel free to push that pause button or hit rewind. I want you guys to be able to follow along as easily as possible and have fun doing this drawing. All right, step number one, we are going to draw the upper side of SHARKDOG's face. So it's going to start right here. We're going to draw a line up like that, and then a longer line that kind of comes up and goes over like this. Then we're going to drag it down a little bit like this, and it kind of curves around and down like that. Next, we're going to draw SHARKDOG's eyes. So the first one's going to go right here. And we're going to draw kind of an oval shape. All the way down like this, around and up like that. And then we're going to draw that invisible line all the way to the side of his face. And we're going to start right here. We're going to take the line, we're going to curve around and down like that. With that second eye on the other side, you can barely see it there. And then we'll do his pupil. We'll come in here and we're going to draw a V, because he's got kind of like old-timey cartoon eyes. So we're going to draw a V like that. Then we're going to draw a circle all the way around. My circle's not that great right now, but that's okay. You're going to draw the V and then the circle, and then we're going to color that in black. And then on this side, we're just going to draw a curved line like this. And we're going to draw a curved line like this just to indicate that light source, kind of mirroring the V over here. And we'll color that in black. Next, we're going to draw the upper part of SHARKDOG's mouth. So it's going to start right here. And we're going to curve that line across. It's got a big old shark smile. Keep that going all the way over here, and then it kind of comes up a bit like that. Next, we're going to draw SHARKDOG's teeth. So they're going to start on this side. We're going to draw a smaller tooth like this, and then some bigger teeth in front. And his teeth are kind of rounded at the end, so not too sharp, all right? Just nice and round V's. Keep that going all the way across here, and we'll stop right about here on the last one. Next, we're going to draw SHARKDOG's tongue. So we're going to start right here. We're going to draw it down like this, around, and just keep that going. He's got a pretty wide tongue. I guess SHARKDOGs have wide tongues, but all the way up into that tooth there. And then he's got that crease in his tongue, so we're going to draw a line like this. Next, we're going to do the bottom part of SHARKDOG's mouth. We're going to start over here with the smaller tooth, and we're going to pull a line down like this. And we're going to pretend that we're drawing that line all the way through. And then it's going to come up on this side, all the way up into the end of the mouth like that. Now, he's got a couple of teeth on this side that we can see. So we're going to indicate those with just some curved lines. So curve up one like that. Curve another one up like that. And then you're going to color the rest of the inside of his mouth black. Hey, before I get to finishing off the black here, I forgot to draw his last tooth. So we're going to draw just a diagonal line to indicate that last tooth right here. And then we're just going to color the rest of that in black. Next, we're going to draw the lower side of his face. So that's going to start right here. It's going to be a curved line down and in like so. Then he's got one of his flipper feet right here. So we're gonna draw one of those. We're gonna draw a line down like this, and then up and in like that. And then we're gonna keep this line going across and draw the other foot on the other side. So it goes down like this, up like that. Then we've got a flipper foot that goes right here. And then it curves around and up like that. Next, we're gonna draw his back. So his back's gonna start a little bit above this curved line here. We're just gonna curve a line down to about there. Then we're gonna do his stomach. So that's gonna start right here. And we're gonna curve that line up like so. And then we're going to connect the top and the bottom with a curved line like that. Next, he's got some back feet, so we're gonna draw those in there. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna draw a curved line down like that. And this one kind of is squished a bit. So it's gonna curve almost like a U shape, but like it got dented on the side. And then he's got another foot over here. We're just gonna indicate that with a curved line like that. Next, we're gonna draw his tail. So we're gonna start right here. We're going to curve a line out like this to about there. Then we're gonna curve in like so. Then we're gonna curve back out like this. And then curve all the way back in like that. Next, we're gonna do his nostrils and his fin. So the nostrils are going to be right here. They're just two little lines. One right here, and then one right here. And then his fin is going to start right here, and it's a shark fin, so you know what that looks like. We're gonna make a big old curve. His fin's kind of big. So we're gonna big old curve up like that. And we'll curve it down like that. All right, and then he's got some designs on his fin, so we're gonna draw those next. So the first one starts right here. It's gonna be kind of like a shallow U shape. And then there's gonna be, actually let me pull that down a little bit further, there we go. And then there's gonna be another curved line that kind of comes around and down to the other side. So it goes like this, and down like that. Then there's the line above it. You're gonna curve out like this, and down, and in like that. And then this line up on top is gonna have, it's kind of like an S shape, like that. And then the other one kind of mirrors it, like that. All right, and last but not least, we are going to add his gills, because he can walk on land and he can swim in water. All right, so just 3 little lines. It's gonna start right behind the eye here. Go 1, 2, 3. All right, there's your line work for Shark Dog. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, the other day, I spotted an albino Dalmatian. Yeah, it was the least I could do for him. Poor thing. All right, let's move on to our coloring step, and we'll do that in super speed, starting now. All right, and there you have it, your fully colored Shark Dog. Thanks for drawing along with me. I hope you guys had fun drawing Shark Dog. Hey, occasionally I run out of ideas, and I'm depending on you guys to help me out there. So be sure, if you got a good idea about what you'd like me to teach you how to draw, go down in the comments and leave me an idea. Also, don't forget, if you don't want to watch the calendar, go down right now, click that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. And if you like this video, give us a like while you're at it. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.